In today's video, I am going to share top 4 months for print on demand, which is very important, and I will also guide you guys about the designs which you have to make on the trend. So guys, keep watching it till the end. Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Vish. I am back again here after a long time. I'm sorry, I have faced some health issues, so that's why I'm not recording the videos for you guys. I'm uploading on YouTube, but I'm here back again for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So keep supporting me guys. Like, comment and subscribe is very appreciated by me. So guys, let's get started. So here I am on my screen, and from here you can see the events which are going to held in September. The last 4 months of every year is very important and crucial for print on demand, as there are a lot of niches and a lot of events holding in such short period of time, so it is even called as Q4. So guys, you have to make more and more designs in such period if you have to earn a lot of money. So the first month that have passed by is the September, but I also advise a lot of designs for you guys to make on September as well. And from here you can see a lot of events holding on September. As a September went by, so that's not a worry, just make designs for them. It will be beneficial for the next period of time or for the next year. So here you can see all the events on my screen. You can make designs on it, as these are all the trending topics which are going to happen. And here you can see there are some grand print that US, and all these are the events which held in September. So guys, make designs on them, as if you want to get more sales in the next year as well. The next month after September is October, and on the screen you can see the pumpkins. Yes guys, the Halloween is coming, and you can see there are a lot of niches in October. So and October is just started, so you have to make a lot of designs. Make at least 10 to 5 designs on each designs or each trends, and also make evergreen niches. I will come up with more print on demand content, and I will guide you more how you can make more benefit from such these niches, and you can make more designs in the Q4 as well. And here you can see the World Dyslexia Awareness Day. This is the topic I have already told you in my trend of the week videos. You can watch it, and I also told you about the World Teachers Day. And in the end, the most important day is the Halloween Day, which held on 31st October 2021. So make a lot of designs. Most of the people are start getting a lot of sales on Halloween, and this month is very special for print on demand. So make designs on these trends and on the evergreen niches as well. The next month that we got is November, and on the screen you can see a lot of events that are happening on November. The one is Diwali, which is happening on 4th November 2021, and then here are the Remembrance Day, and which is held on 11th November 2021. So World Kindness Day, Road Safety Work, Anti-Bullying Week. So these are very important topics, and these are the topics related to the social issues, and the topics related to the social issues are very important for print on demand. As I already told that these Q4 months are very important for print on demand. You can make it or break it. So this is the time guys, this is the time of the year you can make more and more designs on it. And here you can see the World Television Day and World Hello Day as well. So as you can here see the 24th November, the most important is Thanksgiving Day, and which is held across the world, and which is about giving gifts to each other and celebration of successful harvest and other blessing of the past year. So this is a very important. You can make designs on them as well, and I will also guide you in the coming videos as well. The next month is December, and the December, as you can see, is very important just because of Christmas, and everyone loves Christmas. I also love Christmas. So here you can see it will start from the Elf Day, and Elf Day held on 3rd December, and the next one is International Cheetah Day. So you can also make designs on animal or cheetah print, such type of designs. The next one is Christmas Jumper Day, and this held on 10th September, and you can make a lot of designs on this topic as well. This is very important topic. And here as you pass by you can see St. Lucia Day, Jane Austen Day, Wear a Christmas Hat Day, and in the end there are also topics related to the winter and the winter holidays. You can also make designs or niches. You can target the niches which are related to the winter or the winter holidays. And the 24th December is about Christmas Eve, which is very important, the best night for everyone. and the last is Christmas Day, and it held on 25th December. So guys, keep making designs on these events. These are very important events, and it will get you a lot of sales. Just like in the past, I have made like a lot of money just making simple designs on these topics. I have made like almost 30 to 40 designs on per event, so or the per niche. So this is very important and essential. So guys, these are the 4 months, and I have showed all the events, and I will also tell you guys about more trends upcoming in these 4 months, as well as the 1 month is passed by. So not to worry, make just focus on the upcoming events and upcoming month, and make a lot of designs on it and make a lot of sales. So guys, if you talk about Q4 is very important part of the year, because most of us and most of the people around the world start buying more stuff for the Christmas and for the Halloween and all the other events. So this is a very important days of the year. So guys, make designs on it, and if you need any help regarding to such topics or niches or anything related to the bubble, you can approach me on my Instagram, and the link of my Instagram is in the description below. So this is it guys for today's video. I will come up with a new video tomorrow. So guys, take care of yourselves, keep supporting me in this way. Have a nice day. Cheers.